Okay, here you got it, the book name. Book name is ADM 110. EN means English. Whole 25. It is the latest book. Okay. So this the unit 1. We want to complete today and tomorrow. We want to complete this unit. Compulsory it will take 2 days to complete this unit. Today and tomorrow compulsory we want to complete this unit. This in this unit, every point is very important part. Compulsory who learning SAP basis compulsory they want to know perfect about this book. So this is one of the important unit to learn. Unit name is describing SAP system architecture. In that unit, 3 lessons is there. First lesson is describing SAP system. So in this lesson, I go to one of the topic. Topic is releases. Topic name is releases. So why I take the topic, first topic is releases means compulsory. Here you are using softwares. First of all, you want to know what are the softwares is available and what are the versions is available. That is very important part. Who learning SAP basis, first of all, they want to know about the softwares and their version. So SAP yes for HANA. Here you clearly understand means no need to revise section also. Once you understand clearly here. SAP yes for HANA is one of the SAP product. Okay. In our language, it is called product means software also. SAP yes for HANA is one of the SAP product. So SAP yes for HANA is one of the SAP product. Okay, now SAP yes for HANA versions. Actually, SAP S for HANA first, when in 2016, they released SAP S for HANA 1511. They released in 2016. So, SAP S for HANA is available to all the students on 2016 onwards. 2016 onwards, SAP S for HANA is available to use that software. So who want to use that software in companies, in practice section, everything, SAP S for HANA is available on 2016 onwards. Why means it is released on that year in 2016. But nowadays, SAP S for HANA 1511 is not available. Why means it is expired. Nowadays, SAP S for HANA 1511 is not available. Why means it is expired. How? So I show that one also. I show that one also when it is explained about the details. Okay, here I show you so clearly. SAP S for HANA. SAP S for HANA. Product. Product is SAP S for HANA. In that product, SAP S for HANA is one of the version. In SAP S for HANA product, SAP S for HANA 1511 is one of the version. So when they release in 2016, it is released. On that time, they set expire date. End of mainstream maintenance means expire date. On that time, they set as expire date as 2020. So now it is, so expire date is 2020, but now it is 2024 year. So that means that product version is not available. Here also I show. Here you have SAP S for HANA 1511 option is not there here. In this list, SAP S for HANA 1511 option is not there. That means nowadays, I want to install SAP S for HANA 1511 product version is not possible. Why? Because that installation option is not available. Without that option, SAP S for HANA 1511 installation is not possible. So SAP S4HANA 1511 is available from 2016 to end of 2020. from 2021 onwards, SAP S/4HANA 1511 is not available. It is expect. Next, after which version they release? SAP S/4HANA 1610 in that year only, in that 2016 only, that product version is released. In 2016 only, that product version is released. So in 2016 it is released. Expect date they said as 2021. Same, this one also is expect. So at the end of 2021 only, this version is available. So after 2021 means when you enter into the 2022, this version is not available. So already we are in 2024. So that version is expect. That means nowadays SAP S/4HANA 1610 is not available. SAP S/4HANA 1610 is one of the version in SAP S/4HANA product. So here all of you saw. Here we did not get SAP S/4HANA 1610. So SAP S/4HANA 1610 installation option is not available here. That means nowadays I try to install SAP S/4HANA 1610 in my system. It is not possible. Why means that product version is not available. Next, SAP S/4HANA 1709. In 2017, every year they're releasing. In 2017, SAP S/4HANA 1709 is released. In 2017. What is the expect date? So, expect date is 2025. It is the end of Safekeeper cloud service. It is the cloud service expect date. It is end of extended maintenance 2025. So 2025. So now that means now it is 2024. At the end of 2025 means when we enter into the 2026 year, on that time SAP S/4HANA 1709 is not available. But now 2024, that means so 22 SAP S/4HANA 1709 is available. Here you saw. Here we have SAP S/4HANA 1709 option is there. So SAP S/4HANA 1709 product version is available nowadays. In 2017 it is released, end of 2025. Until end of 2025, that product version is available. Nowadays, in companies or in your trainings, you want to install SAP S/4HANA 1709 is possible. Next, SAP S/4HANA 1809. SAP S/4HANA 1809 is released in 2018. Here you saw every year they're releasing the product version. In 2018, SAP S/4HANA 1809 is released. Now we check the expect date. 1809 expect date is 2025. 1809 will be expect on 2025. Okay, SAP S/4HANA 1809. In 2018, it will be released. 2025 is the expect date or 2026. 2025 only. Okay, SAP S/4HANA 1809 is one of the product version in SAP S/4HANA. Nowadays, you want to install SAP S/4HANA 1809, it is possible. In company or in your personal laptop, you want to install SAP S/4HANA 1809 means nowadays that product version is available. It is not expired. Next version is SAP S/4HANA 1909. In which year it is released? In 2019 it is released. So what is the expire date? (2025) expire date. So here SAP S/4HANA 1709, 1809, 1909, expert date is 2025. Nowadays is possible to install SAP S/4HANA 1909. It is one of the product version in SAP S/4HANA. Next, SAP S/4HANA 2020. In which year it is released? 2020 it is released. So 2028, 2025 expected. This one also 2025 expected. SAP S/4HANA 2020 is one of the product version in SAP S/4HANA. Nowadays, it is possible to install SAP S/4HANA 2020 in company system or in your personal laptop. Next one is SAP S/4HANA 2021. In which year it is released? 2021 is released. 2026 is the expected date. 2026 is the expected date. So SAP S/4HANA 2021 is one of the product version in SAP S/4HANA. So nowadays it is possible to install SAP S/4HANA 2021 in company system or in your personal laptop. Next one is SAP S/4HANA 2022. In which year it is released? 2022, and the expected date is 2027. 2027 is the expected date. SAP S/4HANA 2022 is one of the product version in SAP S/4HANA. So nowadays it is possible to install SAP S/4HANA 2022 in your personal laptops or in company system. Next one is SAP S/4HANA 2023. 2023 year it is released. 2030 is the expected. 2030 is the expected. The latest SAP S/4HANA product version is 2023. The previous SAP S/4HANA product version is SAP S/4HANA 2022. SAP S/4HANA 2023 is one of the product version in SAP S/4HANA. Nowadays, it's possible to install SAP S/4HANA 2023 in your personal laptops or in company system. Next, this year they did not release SAP S/4HANA 2024. Directly, they're releasing SAP S/4HANA 2025. They are not releasing SAP S/4HANA 2024. Directly, they're releasing SAP S/4HANA 2025 next year. Already, they provided expect date also 2032. So nowadays, this is the latest version, and this is the previous version. So SAP S/4HANA versions, product versions, SAP S/4HANA product versions. And one more point. This SAP S/4HANA software in company, SAP S/4HANA product versions, this SAP S/4HANA product versions, they are used for installing ABAP systems and Java systems. We have two types of SAP systems. First of all, you want to know that one. Two types of SAP systems. A is ABAP based SAP system, and another one is Java based SAP system. AS means, in shortcut, you called as AS ABAP. In shortcut, you called as AS Java. AS means application server. Application server. That means here, this software, SAP S/4HANA software, by using SAP S/4HANA software, you install ABAP system and you install Java system. Here is there. SAP S/4HANA Java. So by using this one, you install SAP S/4HANA Java 2023. Here, SAP S/4HANA 1709. SAP S/4HANA server, it is ABAP. SAP S/4HANA server 1709 is ABAP. Application server ABAP. Okay, install an SAP S/4HANA server ABAP system. ABAP system. So, by using SAP S/4HANA server, it is possible to install ABAP system and Java system. So, in companies also, they used SAP S/4HANA for ABAP system purpose and Java system purpose also. In company systems, you log in and check means in company systems, they use that S/4HANA for ABAP system purpose and Java system purposes. Now I'm showing the company systems. Product, SAP S/4HANA. Okay. Here you saw product is SAP S/4HANA. These are all company systems. Here S/4HANA. This is ABAP system. This is another ABAP system. Another ABAP system. Like that. Scroll down. So many ABAP systems. Maximum SAP S/4HANA 95% they use it for ABAP system purposes only in company. Some few systems only. Java system, Java, like that. Below 10 systems only in company, they are using Java systems. Remaining all, they are used for ABAP system purpose on all. Okay, that means what you understand here, SAP S/4HANA product is used for installing ABAP system purpose and it is also used for installing Java system purpose also. In company, SAP S/4HANA product, they use it for ABAP system purpose and Java system purpose, but mostly 95% SAP S/4HANA product version are used for ABAP system purpose. So this is about. So here I am telling what the information I am providing here means, just I am telling SAP S/4HANA is one of the SAP product. In SAP S/4HANA product, so many versions is there. What are the versions is available and what are the versions is expected. So SAP S/4HANA product versions for which system installation purpose they used in company or in your personal laptop, for which system installation purpose we use. It will be supported both ABAP system and Java system, or it will be supported only ABAP system installation purpose. That information you are getting. And the latest version of SAP S/4HANA and previous version. So you get this year they did not release any SAP S/4HANA. So directly they're releasing SAP S/4HANA 2025 after SAP S/4HANA 2023. This is about SAP S/4HANA releases. SAP S/4HANA product is one of the topic.